Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore your wallet in Tonkeeper. So for you to be able to do that, you have to open your Tonkeeper app on your phone. Once you open it, then you should have something like this on the main screen. You can see my main screen here. I'm about $0.5. So I'm just going to click on the gear button, which is the settings icon. Then for you to be able to restore your wallet in Tonkeeper, you have to make sure that your wallet is back up. So for you to be able to recover it, you have to back up your key phrase. So right now I'm just going to tap on this backup, and you can see that this particular wallet is backed up, manually backed up since last time I put my power. I actually back up my wallet. It is around September 14th, around 12:59. So this actually shows that this particular account is backed up already. So in case if I end up losing my phone, or probably I have to move from one phone, or I have to move my stuff from one phone to another, I don't have to be bothered. I don't have to worry or bothered or stress on how you are going to get your wallet intact on your new devices. Once you have this backup, then you can click on this show phrase, tap on the show phrase, try and put it down, copy it, then paste it somewhere. Or if you can create a note, try and put it somewhere and keep it safe. That is what you will use to recover your wallet, just in case. And that is how to do it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for me. Thank you.